Hey everybody, welcome back to the Thinking Crypto channel. I want to talk about Chainlink and why I think with the recent adoption news, we could see $100 very soon. In addition, a long-term price of $1,000. I'm going to break it down. Before I do, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Guys, friendly reminder, I have a free weekly newsletter. Once again, free. Link in the description. Be sure to sign up. All crypto knowledge and news. Also, to let you guys know, I hold Chainlink in my portfolio. I've talked about it on this channel over the past year. Last year, I took a position, and thank goodness I did. I bought between $2 and $3. I made significant profits last year. I was transparent about that to you guys. And of course, I had to pay my taxes, my capital gains taxes on this. So I am bullish on Chainlink. I don't have a huge position, but the position I took last year made me some nice money, and I have a decent position now, and I'm looking towards the future because it's getting some really nice adoption. So right now it's trading just over $30. So something to keep in mind before I talk about the specific news around Chainlink. Bitcoin moves the market. The altcoins follow Bitcoin's lead. And I've been showing you guys the macro level charts like the stock to flow model. So all altcoins are going to perform well if Bitcoin performs well, right? We saw Bitcoin go up and then alt season follows, and this cycle has repeated many times around. So Chainlink in itself will move up because of Bitcoin. But what's important is it will get more momentum and more gains as a result of the adoption. Here's one. Chainlink releases native Substrate module to bring its oracles to Polkadot. And Polkadot right now, guys, it's trading in the top 5. It is at $43.62. It has been doing really well. So Chainlink is getting adoption. Polkadot parachains can now choose to add Chainlink price feeds to their runtime. And check this tweet out here. Polkadot tweeted about it. They said, Chainlink price feeds will allow smart contract applications across the Polkadot ecosystem to access accurate, up-to-date, and tamper-proof price reference data for powering new products and markets. That's big, right? Chainlink will be providing tamper-proof price reference data. So you are looking for accurate data. Chainlink is going to be able to do that. And remember, game theory, I could see other projects doing this as well. And this is going to help power new products and markets, right? As different folks build on the Polkadot blockchain. This is big. So this is a big adoption news here. Also, just this past week on March 30th, Chainlink, they tweeted the following. Synbit protocol is using Chainlink on the HECO chain, if I'm saying that right, mainnet to obtain precise, up-to-date, tamper-proof price feeds on all collateral and synthetic assets used and traded on the platform. This ensures the solvency of all synthetic assets minted on Synbit. So Chainlink is being put in as a pillar in these different projects for accurate data. I think that's a strong use case, and it's clearly getting adoption, especially the Polkadot news really surprised me, guys. I did not expect that, to be quite frank. And once again, Polkadot is trading in the top 5. So it's getting the adoption, it's getting the movements here. And this speaks to the growing ecosystem of DeFi, guys. So I'm sharing cold hard facts here. I'm not, making this up or dreaming it up or just saying, hey, out of speculation, the price is going to go this. I'm just saying this adoption news plus the bull cycle we're in following Bitcoin, we're going to see new all-time highs. And I think, guys, Chainlink can easily go to $100, and long term, if not in this bull cycle, it can certainly go to $1,000. So I have it in my portfolio. It's one of the ones that I'm buying in the dips where possible. It hasn't done me wrong. It made me money last year, right? So this is cold hard facts, and that's what I wanted to share with you guys. And you can read up on all this. And if you want to get some, idea of what's happening here, here's an announcement from Synbit on their respective release. We are excited to announce that Synbit has integrated Chainlink, the market-leading decentralized Oracle network, on HECO chain or HECO, or whatever it is. I'm not saying that right. Mainnet to obtain prices on all collateral and synthetic assets available on the platform. Chainlink's widely used price feed oracles. Keyword there, widely used. allow our smart contracts to accurately price collateral and use to mint synthetic assets, consistently check the collateralization of synthetic assets, and set fair market exchange rates for synthetic oh my gosh, I can't say that now, asset swaps. So I like what I'm seeing here, guys. In order to secure all forms of collateral offered by Synbit, we will start out by leveraging the following Chainlink price feeds: SYN, HT, HUSD, USDT, and MDX. Additionally, to price all synthetic assets offered on Synbit, we will use the following Chainlink price feeds: USD, Euro, XAU, WTI, BTC, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So bullish in my opinion. Finally, you guys probably all saw this. This was from earlier in March, around March 17th. Grayscale added 5 new crypto investment trusts, and one of them was Chainlink. And as you can imagine, they're going to be bringing in a lot of money into their Chainlink Trust, right? Of course, the majority of the money is going to Bitcoin right now, but as they start getting more interest from different folks like Morgan Stanley, we just heard that Morgan Stanley will be investing in Grayscale's GBTC. So just so I make sure I show you guys the proof here, and I'm not just making stuff up. Here's the news from literally this past week. Morgan Stanley files to add Bitcoin exposure across a dozen institutional funds, and they're going to be using Bitcoin in the form of cash settled futures or Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust. So once again, it will start with Bitcoin, then they go to their Ethereum Trust, and then Chainlink Trust, and then Filecoin Trust. So this overall, right, the rising tide that lifts all boats will benefit Chainlink. So I just gave you guys 3 cold hard facts: the macro level view of Bitcoin's movement, which pulls the altcoins with it, the gravitational pull of Bitcoin, the clear adoption of Chainlink here, and the price feeds that it is offering to provide accurate data, tamper-proof data, and multiple sources are using it, and you got Grayscale integrating it. 3 cold hard facts. This is why I think Chainlink can go to $100. We could see it, if Bitcoin hits $100,000, I could see Chainlink at $100. And that is for real. Like, I have it in my portfolio and it would make me some decent money. So I'm expecting that. Obviously it's not a certainty. It's a probability. I keep it real with you guys. I never want to say, hey, this is 100% guaranteed going to happen. Obviously not. No one can predict the future. But with the facts we have on hand, the 3 main facts I just shared with you guys, I could see that. And then maybe at the peak of the bull run, we could see $1,000 Chainlink if they continue to get more adoption like this. Right? You can't argue with this adoption news. This is cold hard facts. So I can't emphasize that enough, because I know there's people who are very tribal, and maximalism is big in the crypto market. Where people are like, oh, they try to trash every other project and they ignore the cold hard facts of what is actually happening here. And one of the things that I look at when investing in a project is who's partnering with them. Are they getting adoption? Are people actually using their services, their services and their products, right? So that's my thoughts. What do you guys think? Could Chainlink go to $100, once Bitcoin hits 100,000 or so? Let me know what you think. And could it go $1,000, at the peak of the bull run, or maybe the next bull cycle? Let me know what you think. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Share this video, hit the thumbs up button, and be sure to hit that subscribe button as well. And I'll talk to you all later.